Hi guys, today we're going to use a Scion TC 2006, which is also made by Toyota. Now we're going to teach you how to do just basic car maintenance. We're going to teach you how to change your air filter, and we're going to teach you how to measure your oil levels today. Before I begin, I'm going to let you know why it's important. Why it's important to remove the air filter is because that is what is used to take in air into your car's engine. It doesn't suffice or it's dirty, it could harm your engine. Most cases you don't need tools. This one you just take off the tabs. For other cars and models, you'll probably use a Phillips screw here in all four corners. To gain access to the air filter box, remove this tab here and this tab here. Lift it open, take off the old air filter. I'm gonna put a brand new one in here. Close it. Make sure it fits in. Give a jiggle, lock it into place, and you're done. Now we've just replaced the air filter. Now it's time for us to do another basic car care maintenance, which is to check the level of your engine oil. The reason why it's important is because they help lubricate the parts inside your engine, such as your pistons and your valves. Now we're going to take out the engine oil dipstick. We're going to pull it out. Just going to measure it. As you can see here, the lower markings, and this is the top markings. You need your engine oil to be in between the low and the full level. In this case, it's full. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.